Series 9 Max D Maximum Destruction Monster Jam. Let's take a look at the VIP wristband and poster. On Max D's wristband, we have the creature. Also, little spikes up above and down below. We have the Monster Jam logo. And we also have the name of the truck, which is cool to have. On there, they didn't do that one. They didn't have Great Clips Mohawk Warriors name on the wristband, but I'm glad that they did Max D's. On to the poster now. We have a nice shot of the Great Clips Mohawk Warrior. And now we have the trucks that are in this mix. So let's start off with Gravedigger. He is in Legacy Trucks. And then Crazy Creatures, we get the gold Bakugan Dragonoid. Then we have Arena Favorites, the Mohawk Warrior. There's Max D and Rolled Finals. And Danger Divas, Monster Dalmatian. Then in Nitro Neon, we got Octonator. Nitro Neon again, we got Jurassic Attack. And then Overcast, the zombie. Let's take a look at this awesome Blackout Max D Edition. Wow! I really like it. They did an awesome job on this. Like the BKT printing, the white on the tires. The spikes are now in white, and I can see some of mine not all in white. So you can tell right there they kind of messed up on some of the spikes. And on the back there, maybe some of the coloring came off of them. The chassis is black, and also the roll cage is black. So it has that black plastic chassis, which is okay to go along. That's fine with me. We get the Monster Jam logo, as well as Max D Maximum Destruction logo, and then Tom Mintz's name should be on there on that little one. And so there's the one side of Max D, turning it around to the front. Look at that, all blacked out. Has the name of the truck right there in the front. The where the lights are blacked out. Also, the spikes, you can see on the left hand side, that one spike down below is not fully in white. So a little bit of mistakes on this one. Turn it around to the other side. And then up top, we have Max D. We also have a Monster Jam World Finals champion. Look at that, how the graphics of also the fire coming down. Just a different look and view. And this sticker, well not sticker, but this right here on top of the truck, it kind of flashes kinda in the light. It's really neat. And then the Monster Jam logo on the back, and then the tail lights. So that does it for the Blackout Max D of Spin Masters Edition. Awesome. Hopefully you enjoyed this review, and thank you for tuning in.